Hey guys, welcome to Windmill. Today I'm going to show you how to make this windmill using kingdom blocks, which looks like this. Let's see how we can make it. Let's start making the base of the windmill. For making the base of the windmill, we should connect two of these pieces together using this piece, like that, and then build the next layer of the base, which is like the middle rod. For making that, we attach two of these big pieces together using this small piece, attach it on the top like that, and then we attach this like that. Then we take this piece and then connect it to the small one, and then attach the piece again, and then attach the small one on this side. Then we just attach it on top. Then we take this big piece and attach it on top of this in the middle. Now this is our complete, like the rod. Here we'll attach the blade, but before that we should make like a little bit. Now for making the covering, we take two of these pieces and attach them like that. Then we just attach them at this end facing the other way like that. Then we should make this blade with using three of these big pieces and this one wheel, and then we put that in. Now our windmill is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. See you next time. Have an interesting object to build. Bye.